Good afternoon, classroom. It is my work, the communication skill. My project is optimization of the protocol for the extraction of papaya pectin use response methodology surface. My courses is Juliana, Victoria, and Maria Elena. Objectives general to determine a protocol for optimization of the extraction of papaya pectin using response methodology surface. Specific objectives. Number 1, to produce papaya flower at various degrees of maturation of the extraction of pectin. Number 2, to select the most suitable granulometric fraction of papaya flower. Number 3, to evaluate of chemical and microbiological characteristics of the papaya flower. Number 4, determine the best conditions of temperature grados Celsius, acid concentration, solvent volume, and stirring speed in the acid extraction with nitric acid in papaya flower. Number 5, to determine the physical, chemical, and rheological characteristics and the yield of pectin extraction from papaya, which different maturation indices. Number 6, to test functional application of extracted pectin in 4 products. Introduction. The introduction is 3 parts: academics, industrial, social. Academic justification. It is 2 parts. Evaluate to a direct consumption products of lightly commercial value to obtain pectin with quality. Number 2, use statistical tools so that optimal parameters can be established and then tested with native fruits in Peru. Pectin is increasingly demanded for its properties. Industrial justification. Number 1, in the food, medicine, and cosmetic industry, citrus fruits are not able to meet the demand for pectin extraction, which is why we are looking for new raw materials in fruits. Number 2, create less dependency on countries that produce pectin, then it can be produced on large scale, thus gaining processes profitability resists and reduces environmental impact. Number 3. Depicting extraction processes doesn't represent handling complex process, which will facilitate the control and optimization of the operation. The social justification is after new opportunities to small producers to produce gelates is powder form and use it expecting thus increasing their income. It is representation of the basic structure of the pectin. Application of pectin in the food industry. Pectin are polysaccharides as emulsifier, gelling agents, stabilizer, and thickener. Use of it in the food industry. Byproducts of the agro-food industry have been considered as substrates for many years and explained to their removal from the food production line and the complicated problems arises from their treatment and disposal in the environment. Methodology. Methods and procedures. First, selects the fruits of papaya. This selection will be made at a table. Subsequently, it will be chopped, heavy fractions, dry in the oven for a sufficient time until the sample is dehydrated. For example, the time 48 hours in the temperature 55 grados Celsius. It will be ground in a mill to prepare the sample and the extracting pectin. The population and sample. 3 kilograms of flour was obtained from about 20 kilograms of green fruits from the some supplier of the region states of Paraná, Brazil. It is the procedure for obtaining papaya flour. First line, reception, the next selection, cleaning, cutting and separating, drain, ground, screening, packaging and storage. The next, it is extraction technique by acid hydrolysis. The extraction de pectina. Data analysis procedure. Data recollection instruments. Determine the physical chemical composition. It is determination of humidity, gravimetric method, and determination of ashes, determination of lipids, determination of proteins, determination of sugar, determination of dietary fiber, and analysis rheological parameters, evaluation of pectin, granulometric classification, and friend of gel of pectin. In the investigation will be used response methodology surface. For that we use software statistics for Windows. Expert results. Optimism a protocol for the extraction of pectin from papaya using responsive methodology surface. And go initial objectives. And the next bibliography is finished. Thank you.